What's your name?
I'm Geraldine Casipi,
How old are you?
39 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have son or daughter?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
The youngest is 6 years old and the oldest is 14 years old.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
2 years and 8 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
No, ma'am.
How long have you been working with the current or previous employer?
2 years and 8 months.
Where is your employer living in?
Chongpan.
How many square feet of your employer house?
980.
How many family members are there?
3.
How many children of your employer?
1.
How old are they?
8 years old.
Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock to
And
prepare
then?
all the breakfast, and I finish my works at 10 o'clock in the evening, and I rest is 11 o'clock in the evening.
Did you do household?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing.
Did you go to market?
Yes, ma'am.
Until what time you go to sleep?
11 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much.